Welcome to Mandy's Tutoring Services for Elementary Students educational video. Today we are going to learn how to sound out CVC words. CVC words are three-letter words that follow a pattern. It starts with a consonant, then there's a vowel in the middle, then it ends with a consonant. We are going to follow these 4 steps to sound out CVC words. First, we're going to spell the word, then sound the word, then blend the word, then say the word. So first, I am going to do it for you and I need you to listen. I'm going to say spell, and then I'm going to spell the word. Then I'm going to say sound, then I'm going to sound the word. Then I'm going to say blend, and then I'm going to blend the word. And then I am going to say the word is, then I say the word. So, listen carefully. Spell B-A-N, sound B-A-N, blend B-A-N, the word is ban. So I'm going to do it again. Spell B-A-N, sound B-A-N, blend ban. The word is ban. Now you and I will do it together, and I have a volunteer who's going to do it with me. So let's begin. Spell B-A-N, sound B-A-N, blend ban. The word is ban. Good job, volunteer. Good job, boys and girls. So let's do it again. Spell B-A-N, sound B-A-N, blend ban. The word is ban. Good job. So now the volunteer and you are going to do it together by yourself. I will say spell, then you all will spell, then I say sound, then you will sound, then I say blend, then you will blend, then I say the word, then you're going to say the word.
Oh, look at this wind.
Okay, let's begin. Ready? Okay, look up. Spell
B-A-N,
sound
B-A-N,
blend.
ban.
The word is
Ban.
good job. Good job, everybody. Let's do it one more time. You ready? Volunteer and everybody? Okay. Spell
B-A-N,
sound
B-A-N,
blend.
ban.
The word is
Ban.
good job. Okay, so today I am just going to focus on, we're just doing this alone, and I'm going to do a second video to follow up with this video where we will do more examples. Don't forget to subscribe and like Mandy's Tutoring Services for Elementary Students educational videos.